Today, we will be taking a look at the best gaming desks under $200 you can buy today. And as usual, we have the links to all the gaming desks mentioned in this video in the description below. And be sure to subscribe for new content and drop a like below. Now let's go straight to the video. Number 5. IKEA Linnmon Desk. IKEA makes great furniture for those with a strict budget. You can buy a basic 4-legged table from them and get good value for your money. While the tables are not specifically meant for gamers, the Linnmon desk is a good option for gamers. The table is available in 2 sizes, with the larger offering a perfect size for a PC computer. The desk doesn't have any cable management, but you can always buy a separate box or rack to do the job. Number 4. ZLINE Bellaire Glass Desk. This is an amazing ZLINE Bellaire glass computer table with a stylish look. Interestingly, it's not costly at all. The ZLINE Bellaire built-in beauty and functionality. It is really wide, which supports giant monitors. There is a shelf for elevated monitors. Assembling is moderately easy. 2 people and a half an hour will be sufficient. Number 3. The Techni Mobili Complete Computer Workstation. Another great gaming desk is considered as traditional as they are a wooden desk. Many home offices choose it as perfect setups. The desk will surely make a lot of sense if you have a lot of office supplies. It has drawers, cabinets, and a keyboard tray. But keep in mind, it will not give you as much space as the A series. At the same time, in this unique compact desk, it offers a lot of functionality. This desk lets you use a dual monitor, but in that case, surface space will not be much. If you want to keep everything looking neat and tidy by throwing all kinds of stuff in the drawers, they are just perfect, as the drawers can be handy. You may face the challenge of space while working. Number 2. Gaming Desk Pro All-in-One. Are you a hardcore gamer? Have heaven of gaming accessories? Still, you are one of the few pupils who are not satisfied with a common market gaming desk. Here is your dream gaming desk, ideal for gamer gear. It offers a better place to store your game weapons like remotes and controllers. You may want an under-desk fast or console controller storage area. In both cases, look no further. It is strongly built as well. It allows you to store everything you need for your game war store. Another amazing feature is the high-rise top, which allows you to place your loving monitor. The only condition is the monitor should not be more than 27 inches above. The desk is ideally built for any hardcore gamer. Easy as well as quick assembling may prove it a gamer's friend. Its still desk makes it stronger and durable and made a sharp difference with cheap market desks. Another plus point is its quality metal wireframes. Glad news is your desire, you can structure it anyway. The desk has no underneath shelves and is a sign of good consideration. You can freely place all your other gaming equipment and tower. It also offers smart wire management as it has trim plates. It will make your gaming setup welcoming and neat. Spacious work surface area, 41 inches by 23.5 inches, ensures enough space to keep your things at ease. Customers in the US and Canada only covers the product warranty and is too limited. It covers broken, missing, or any defective components regarding shipping. It clearly states no warranty for any misuse, lack of care, or accidents. Overall, this gaming desk is highly customizable and strong. It nicely offers a lot of functionality and large storage. It also has some cons. Firstly, it has no keyboard drawer. Secondly, people taller than 6 feet, watch out! From the floor, the desk height is 29.5 inches. Number 1. Atlantic Gaming Desk. No other gaming desk is as perfect as the Atlantic Gaming Desk. Specifically, this is built for gamers. When designing this eye-catching desk, Atlantic sharply keeps in mind the needs of gamers. The major feature of Atlantic Gaming Desk is it offers a lot of functionality. A drawer, proper cable management, for a dual speaker setup, 2 attractive trays, a gadget tray, best for smartphone, iPod, etc., a smart place to hang your headphone on the side, game shelf, and a surprise gift for a drink holder, perfect for tea, coffee, or your favorite energy drink. The only con of this superb gaming desk is it is not too spacious. In fact, it is a well-built compact desk. So, to attach 2 or 1 large monitors at a time, you can buy a clamp or remove the existing elevated monitor stand. This step will let you fit up to a 27-inch monitor and enjoy games side by side. Thinking to place your keyboard or anything you like? The rack area underneath may then be your dream place. If you are looking for an ideal place to fit a power strip, the rack is your answer. It lets you run cables and keep things tidy and organized. Do you want to take a beating? Its steel rod frame is built on that way. Gaming setup is really challenging. This practical design just helps many gamers as a wonderful solution. Thanks for watching.